Hello friends, welcome to Astrologia, your very own channel of astrology, the channel of Vedic knowledge, spirituality, enlightenment and self-realization. I am Renu, your host. In the series of planet, I am going to talk about the most auspicious planet of the solar system. Let's check our knowledge point. Which planet is the fastest rotating planet in the solar system? The largest and heaviest planet in the solar system. Which planet is known for growth and expansion? Yes, you are right. I am talking about the most benefic planet, Jupiter. We also call it Guru, Brihaspati, Suguru, Sucharya, Devmantri, Devajya, means the teacher of divinity. Guru simply means heavy, and Jupiter is the heaviest planet in the solar system. We can also say heavier in knowledge, as he is an expert in all Vedas and Vedic scripture and all form of knowledge. So all gods respect him and follow him as their guru. A guru is one who attains self-realization and who makes his disciples attain self-realization. According to different scriptures, Jupiter is considered as an incarnation of Brahma, the creator, Vishnu, the administrator, and Shiva, the destroyer, and Lord Indra. Jupiter Vaman Avatara story gives the lesson about surrender, sacrifice, gratitude. It also says Jupiter may take away things in order to allow for greater blessings to follow, and all problems are opportunities. If we look at the astronomical facts about Jupiter, Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and largest in the solar system. Point to be noticed here, Jupiter is second to the Sun in size. And the gravitational force of Jupiter is so strong, it attracts comets and asteroids and protects Earth and other inner planets. So it's called the biggest protector in the astrology. It is a gas giant with a mass 1,000 part of the Sun, but it's 2.5 times more than the total of all planets. It is a large gas giant. That's why it signifies growth and expansion, because gas can expand and occupy bigger places. Jupiter is one of the brightest objects and visible to the naked eye in the night sky, and has been known to ancient civilization even before recorded history. The radius of Jupiter is 43,340.7 miles. Jupiter is 11 times wider than the Earth. And Jupiter is 5.2 astronomical units away from the Sun. 1 astronomical unit is distance from the Sun to Earth. The mass of Jupiter is 317.8 Earth mass. Jupiter has 79 moons and 12 Earth years of orbital period. Jupiter transit period is 1 year in one house or Rashi, and it takes 12 years to go around the all houses and Rashis. Caste of Jupiter is Brahman. Brahman means a scholar who is master in all spiritual and Vedic scriptures. Brahman also means a person who seeks knowledge and provides knowledge. Guna of Jupiter is Sattvic. As we know, Jupiter is related to spirituality, knowledge, wisdom. Nature of Jupiter is fiery. As we know that the planet Jupiter is associated with Dharma, and the nature of Dharma is also fire. In planetary cabinet role, Jupiter plays the role of a minister and advisor. Jupiter has great role in the life of human being. The purpose of Jupiter is to remove darkness and bring light. The planet is said to be highly spiritual. It is the symbol of devotion, worship. Jupiter is considered the greatest benefic amongst the 9 planets. His mind and senses are disciplined and his intellect is subtle. Jupiter follows the path of righteousness and it attached to rituals. Jupiter indicates growth, expansion, higher and spiritual education, teaching, counseling, fast progress in life and upholding Dharma. It signifies progeny, wealth, prosperity, wisdom, protection, benevolence, affluence, charity, generosity, fairness, containment and fame. Jupiter also represents religiousness, belief in deities, priests, pilgrimage, and performance of sacrifices, aspect of cosmic intelligence, religious vocations and scriptures. Denotes teacher, judges, children, guardianship, laziness, higher legal matters and medicine. Planet Jupiter rules the zodiac signs Sagittarius and Pisces. Jupiter rules over Purnavasu, Vishakha and Purva Bhadrapada nakshatra. Strong Jupiter makes the person religious, noble, respectable, honorable, independent, advisor, idealist, moralist, optimistic and dutiful. Jupiter is natural karaka of second house, house of family, wealth and speech. Fifth house, education, knowledge, skill and children. Ninth house, luck, religion and long journey. And 11th house, house of achievements, income and gain. Gender of Jupiter is male and maturity age is 16 years. Ruling number is 3. Direction of Jupiter is northeast direction, as Jupiter owns the sign Sagittarius, which rules over the east, and Pisces that rules over north, and also northeast direction, which is used for spiritual and auspicious practices. Directional strength of planet is first house. Jupiter is exalted in Cancer sign at 5 degrees. Why exalted here? Because it governs water sign Cancer. Cancer sign and 4th house in any chart is a place which gives best resources to promote emotional happiness and self-realization. Jupiter is debilitated in Capricorn sign at 5 degree. Why debilitated here? Because Jupiter has optimistic, gentle and lavish characteristics that does not fit into the rigid, hard-working environment of Capricorn. Mool Trikon sign of Jupiter is Sagittarius. Jupiter represents religion, philosophy, literature, etc., which is represented by Sagittarius as well, making it as its Mool Trikon sign. Jupiter is friends with Sun, Mars, Moon, enemies with Venus and Mercury, and neutral with Saturn. Kapha is represented by Jupiter. Let's understand it. Jupiter is exalted in 4th house in Cancer sign, which is watery sign. 4th house also represents the chest region. Jupiter is a fiery and expansive in nature. So in water sign, it develops the Kapha in chest region. Precious stones related to Jupiter are yellow sapphire and topaz. Jupiter related educational fields are like management, law, finance, economics, biology and astrology. Nose and nostrils are represented by Jupiter. Well-shaped nose shows the strong Jupiter position in chart. Professions signified by Jupiter are priest, manager, minister, lawyer, judges, bankers and life insurance department. Food items related to Jupiter are Bengal gram, honey, coconut, betel nut, ghee, turmeric. Relatives related to Jupiter are guru, teachers and husbands. Places represented by Jupiter are treasury, bank, temples, churches and monasteries. Jupiter has lordship over Hemanta Ritu. The season starts in mid-November and ends in mid-January. Taste of Jupiter is sweets, as Jupiter exalted in 4th house in Cancer sign, which also signifies the milk and milk products and their sweet taste. So the taste of Jupiter is sweet. Diseases related to Jupiter are fell, speech, liver, spleen, pancreas and fat related problems. Herbs, shrubs, trees related to Jupiter are peepal tree, coconut tree, betel leaves. By now, you would have a fair understanding about the auspicious planet Jupiter. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like it. And for watching more upcoming videos from our channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.